Happy Halloween and welcome to Scene Workshop. Today I'll be applying water decals for my Penelope. I built this kit like a month ago and I think it was too plain even with panel lines. Thank you Sim for sending me the latest water slide and I can finally put my Penelope out for display. As you know, HG kits usually comes with stickers and this kit only comes with a few color ones. I like to use Sim water decals because they don't peel off easily. And other than Bandai models, they also make water slide for other brands. And I think once you start using water slides, you don't want to use stickers anymore. I'm fast forwarding this video because it took me more than 6 hours to complete everything. The reason why I dislike stickers, especially the clear ones sticking on the white parts, you will always see the lines showing around the stickers. And because this is a custom decals, you will have to figure out where to place them without an instruction from the Bandai menu. And I guess the whole idea of custom decals is to be creative and do it your own way. But I can tell you my trick if you're not a creative person. Just go into Sim's official website and search for your water decals. Sometimes they have sample pictures like this. Let me know what's your thoughts on these water slides and would you rather use Bandai stickers than these aftermarket ones? These water slide decals are available at USA Gundam Store. And don't forget to use my discount code and get your 10% off when you purchase. Hope you liked my video today, and please hit the like button if you do. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my future builds. See you next time!